Hello, today I'm going to show you how to enter the DFU mode on your Apple iPhone XS. That is if your phone is not responding anymore and the hard reset way doesn't fix the problem. You can go to the DFU mode by using iTunes, lightning cable, and then with your powered up iPhone still connect to your computer with iTunes open. Then quick press the volume up button, then quick press the volume down button, and after this press and hold the side button until the screen goes black, like now. Release the side button once the screen blacks out, then quickly press and hold both the side and the volume down button together for 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, release the side button without letting go of the volume down button. Continue holding down the volume down button for at least 5 seconds, and you can see iTunes is now detecting your DFU mode iPhone, and now you are able to get back to reset your iPhone by using iTunes. Okay, that is the thread to go with the Apple iPhone XS to the DFU mode. Okay, again, but only theoretic now. You saw it now, and now, first step, quick press the volume up button. Then quick press the volume down button. Press and hold the side button until the screen goes black. Release the side button once the screen blacks out. Then quickly press and hold both the side and the volume down button together for 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, release the side button without letting go of the volume down button. Continue holding the volume down button until an information on the screen is there and you are ready to go. If you go back, if it doesn't fix your problem, you can go back with a hard reset. That means quick press the volume up, then quick press the volume down, and on the right side press and hold the right button until the Apple logo is back again. And then you are back at the scene like before. Okay, that's the way you're going to the DFU mode. So, thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.